Well, never thought I'd be doing this. Bought some KFC. Guess what? To make chicken rice. It's something I found on the on YouTube, and apparently it's a pretty surefire way of doing chicken rice. But that's their opinion. So I've got to try to see how accurate it turns out. Here's a KFC, a 4-piece pack, nothing special, just regular style. Regular rice cooker, everybody has one, right, at home? And that's your chicken broth. Now, of course, this is a Western style chicken broth. I tasted it fresh on the pack, give it a good shake. To our palate, it's a bit tasteless, so you might have to add a little bit of salt to flavor it. Now, I've already done the rice. That's 2 cups of rice, and the amount, instead of putting water, it's all chicken broth, equivalent of 2 cups. And then the chicken was just placed inside there, and for good measure, I cut a little bit of fresh ginger, smashed it up, added it in, and about 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. It's done. So let's have a look. Wow, look at that. The rice looks like your regular chicken rice. Smells quite good. The proof will be in the tasting. Yeah, I had earlier stirred everything up, but I tell you, the chicken looks bloody good, man. I just hope that the rice has the typical chicken rice taste, but can be too hopeful, right? Okay, here comes the moment. Taste test. I'm gonna try the chicken now. You know, the chicken came out really nice, man. I mean, all that, by re-cooking it in the rice, it made the chicken so moist and tender. It doesn't look like the KFC chicken, but whether it will do something to the rice, no. You gotta beef up the chicken stock. That chicken broth is too bland for our taste. Not enough kick.